Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My channel is about handbag, SLG and jewelry reviews that I purchase regardless of brand or price. I personally love items that are well made, good quality. If you love this video, perhaps then click on the subscribe button below and the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Today this video is for handbags I added in 2024. Instead of doing the entire handbag collection, which I did in 2023, I can link it below. I'm just doing what I have added in 2024 so that the video will not be so long, that otherwise you'll be very long here. Therefore, I just summarize what handbag I have added in 2024, starting from the very beginning up to December. Starting with this that I added last year in February during Valentine's. If you have watched my unboxing, I'll link the unboxing below as well. This is my Chanel wallet on chain that I had purchased in Caviar. And this is the standard wallet on chain, which is a very identical of Chanel wallet on chain. I like this so much. However, I have not really used it, but I will never regret that this is added to my collection. I do have organizer inside. It is very functional and it is very handy when you travel or even just a quick dinner. If I do not need to carry a lot of things, I just need to carry my handphone and my card holder and some lippy. But although the strap is slightly longer, but I do have a strap connector here that the SA gave me. She gave me this that I can clip on to it to make it slightly shorter. This does help. This one I can just hide it inside and no one can see it. So when I just close it off, and I can do it crossbody or even on the shoulder. This is the first one that I added last year. The second one is this. Then mid of last year, I added this to my collection. I want to try out the style, if I like this style and whether it works for my lifestyle before I really want to purchase one which is so much more expensive. And this is my Picotin Alike handbag. This is in size 18 in the gold color with silver hardware. It does work for me when I go out casually and a quick one, and I've used it quite a bit. I do like this style. This is very functional and also very easy to access, and when I just push it out, I can see all the things I have here. And I do have an organizer inside and it does have feet. I will consider adding a picotin in future. This is the second handbag that I added last year. The third one is this Coach, somewhere near my birthday, which I did unbox it in the video. I can link below if you haven't watched that. Look at this. It is so nice. The strap is inside. It is shiny but yet very muted with this hardware. It blends into the leather, and this is crinkly calf leather. It is very dressy as well as it can be very casual. It does have a longer strap, which I use it for crossbody, or if not, I can just use this as a shoulder handbag. And I do not have anything like this in my collection. I'm so glad that I managed to get this at a discount. Before my trip, I also got this handbag. This is Longchamp. This is in large that I use it for my hand carry handbag. It is very versatile. It is foldable, yet it is quite big for the hand carry. I got this at a very good discount, and I like this green color, and I use this as my hand carry throughout the whole trip. Happy that I got this. I bought this from Satire because I have some store credit with them, and this is also during their Black Friday sales. I love this because this is also very carefree. This is something like raffia. It really suits the weather here. This is in small size. I do have my organizer inside. Now I would like to add more, I would say, fun color or texture into my handbag collections. I already have all the neutral colors handbag, and this is also a very handy handbag. I grabbed this during their sales. It minus of some of the credit I have with them, because some of the item when I purchased from them, I return it and they put it in as store credit. I can use it as handheld. They do have button, or they do have this strap as well if I will use the strap. This is a very versatile handbag. I love this so much, and it's also a very carefree handbag. Although yeah, they do have some leather, but this is still a very carefree handbag. I saw this on sale as well, and I couldn't help myself because this is the color of the season, and this is from Maxwell Scott Bags, which is from London. However, the bag is made in Italy. Let me just open up and show you. The dust bag is so big. I'm not sure why they give us such a big dust bag for such a small handbag. Anyway, this color, I couldn't resist when I see this. Look at this. Oh my god. Yes, this is the color of the season. This is quite small, not to say that big, but the strap here is adjustable, but it's not detachable. However, the strap is still a bit long for me. I may need to go and get some hole punch. And also here, I would like to get another tab if I can get it from Amazon or where I can find tab. Look at this color. Isn't it beautiful? And the leather is very, very strong leather. Let me just open up and show you. Let's take out the stuff. It is not very big, but it does fit my phone. It is an accordion style, and at the moment it is a bit stiff, but as I use it, it can soften out a bit. This is like a smooth leather. I like this color so much. This really reminds me of my mom handbag that last time I used to play with, and she has a handbag. Although it's not a shoulder handbag, she has a handheld handbag, something like this color. Very strong leather smell. I bought this during the Black Friday sales as well, and they have a very good discount during that time. They do have 25 years warranty for this handbag. However, if one were to punch hole, they do not have the warranty anymore. But I will see how it goes. They can help me to punch hole, but the only thing is that I have to send it back to them all the way to UK. So I'm still thinking whether I want to do that or not. Although it's free, so let me think about it. And here got a slip pocket. And at the back, they have a zip as well. But if it is not accordion style, it will be even better. But anyway, I got this at a very good price. If you have scratches, it will also blend into it as time goes by. I mean, these are the leather that will actually, the scratches may be embedded into it later, unless it is very sharp scratches. But other than that, like fingernails whatsoever, perhaps it may blend into it. The more I use it, then the more it will, show the character of the leather. They should actually put a tab, one more tab here actually, and 2 more holes. For those who is not that tall like me, that I can eat this more adjustable. When I sniff this leather, it's so strong leather smell. This, I can show you the clip of the unboxing for this that I have here. This is the one that I added as well to my collection last year. Hi everyone, a quick unboxing here for the item that I had purchased recently from my trip. I've been thinking of this item for quite a while when it first released, but it has been almost a year that I'm thinking about it, and I couldn't pull the trigger because I have something similar to this. But when I'm there, the price is so good and I couldn't resist this. So therefore, let me quickly unbox this and show you what is this. Perhaps this is also my Christmas gift for myself. It is just a very small dust bag. Let me put the box aside. And to reveal, are you ready? Look at this. Yes! It's so cute that I have got this. I know it's quite similar to what I have in size 25, but this is PD 20, and also in this Ebin print. I've been thinking for so long since it released, but I'm also contemplating because it is the same as my Ebin 25, but obviously the size is different, but the print and everything looks the same. I'm thinking of getting a leather one, but when I think of my lifestyle and also the maintenance of the bag, obviously canvas is more durable and easier to maintain, and this leather, it doesn't have Kera, so it will be even easier. It's carefree. Let me just open up inside to take up the strap. There you go, this is the strap. I'm not a fan of the strap. The strap is quite heavy. It's so much heavier than the bag itself. I may use another strap that I have which is lighter and which is same color as this, and even I can use my Speedy 25 strap. I will not use this, but anyway, it comes with this, and Louis Vuitton really charges all this. Okay, let me just take out the sticker first here. There's a sticker here. There's a sticker here as well. The bag is so cute. Anyway, I'm not the fan of straps. Let me just put this aside. What I like about this is it has a very wide opening right up to the underside of it. Whereas the Speedy 25, the old version, I'm not sure about the new version now, whether they improve on that, which they did not go slide all the way down. This is a smarter version of it, I would say. All the stuff are inside. Here's the lock. All these are in gold, not brass. Hopefully you will not tarnish. At least not in brass that will tarnish. As well as the key, which is inside here. This is the key, which is also in gold, which is so much better than the brass, obviously. This is the gel that I put it in. They do have as well, but this is to absorb the moist if there's any. I will do a comparison once I've used this for a bit with the Speedy 25. It has a red lining and it can fit quite a lot. You have one slip pocket. It is sufficient for my daily essentials. I'm so happy that I got this and at a very good price. Good score for this. And these are the handbags I've added to my collection in 2024. I'm so grateful and thankful for all this that I have, and thank you very much for all your support and your precious time to watch my video. Click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and the notification button so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. May 2025 bring you great joy, health and happiness throughout the whole year. Thank you very much for watching and see you again. Bye bye.